We have new component. This is 7 segment LED faded, and this is 5161 AS 7 segment LED. It has 10 pins. Okay, and what are we going to do with this? If this is 7 segment LED and this is common cathode, so LED, that is common cathode, how can we test this? By using the breadboard. So we have the segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G. How can we test that? This, if this is common cathode, using tester. Okay, into diode mode. And then this is common cathode, and the common here is located in the center, the negative of the probe. We're going to use these jumper wires so that we can test the 7 segment. This is common cathode, so the center is the common negative, or to the negative probe. And then this one, and then the anode is, let us first place it in here. Okay, and then let us test common cathode. So we have the first segment A. Okay, still the same common cathode. Let's to the next pin, segment B. So it is called 7 segment LED because there's a segment A, segment B. For the decimal point here, we have the decimal point. Okay, we can see here that this decimal point. Then for the segment C, this one to be placed here, C. This is C, A, B, C. Segment D, and this pin D. So this one is D, and then F. Where is F? F. So this one is F. For G, somewhere here, G in the center, at the middle. So G. So we have segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's why it is called 7 segment with decimal point here. And I'm probing this using the tester. Common is in the center here, and we are varying, or we just move the anode from different pins. Okay, since we have 8 pins. Okay, we have now the figure 1 pin out of our 5161 AS 7 segment LED display. Common cathode, because the cathode is common, located at the middle. Okay, where is that? Here at the middle or center. So they are common. In diagram figure 2, this is the cathode. Symbol K, cathode, but the symbol is K. That is cathode. Anode A, anode A. The cathode is common. They are all connected together. Okay? And then the anode is, we have the separate anode. So here, what we have seen, we're going to see here, we have seen here in the pins, this is anode. And then it is cathode at the center. Anode, anode. Just like this one, anode. Anode, anode, cathode, anode, anode. And then we connect a tester to to the ground, or to the cathode, or to the negative. This is the negative of the, where is that tester? So we connect negative here, and then one by one we can measure, we can test the segment. For segment A, put it in the center, and then A, this pin. B, segment A is this one. B, C is this. C, D, segment D for this. E, segment E. F, F, G, G in the middle. Okay. So here, just like here, we put it in here, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just like that. That is the common cathode. The cathode is common, and the anode is not common, or they are separate. We have separate anode here. Anode. And the decimal point, this one is located here. DP, decimal point. That point, decimal point. Is this. We now have our circuit. This is our circuit. Every pins, we connect the resistor to every pins, and then we're going to supply 5 volts power bank. This is our supply. I'm using a resistor for each pin just to limit the current that flows into the LED, just to limit, or serve as a protection to the LED, because we're using power bank 5 volts. And then connect the supply. We have now the 7 segment with letter 8. So if I disconnect the pin A, or segment A, that is the segment A. Let us kill the light. Segment A. And then for the segment B with resistor, and then connected to the positive B. Segment B. Segment C, decimal point. is connected, disconnect, decimal point, and then for the C, segment C, segment D is this white, D, E, F, F, oh, that is not F, that's G, F, and then the G, segment G. So each anode or each spin, we have the resistor to limit the current. So for segment A, okay, segment B, the pin, then resistor, then to the positive, and then the common, which is the ground, is located into the center. So either here at the bottom or up at the middle or in the center. Segment C, decimal point. Then D, C, D, E, where is E? E, F, F, then G. So if we're going to make a number 3. How about number 3? We're going to use A, B, G, going to the F. We're going to eliminate the F. No, not that one. This one, F. And then the D. This D. So we have number 3. For number 1, we're going to eliminate this G, A. Where is A? This one, and then the D. So we have number 1, and then the decimal point. Not that one. This one. We have number 1. That is our common cathode. LED segment display. So we have now the figure 3. 5161 AS with resistor. So we have the resistor connected to the LED, 7 segment LED display. Each has a value of 470 ohms. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R7. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8. Also R8. Because of the decimal point. And then here, so also we have the another one for the decimal point. So instead of just R7, R8. And then in here we are using a supply. A supply of 5 volts. And the positive is connected. So for every testing, we have connected to sometimes here in R1. That is R1. That is in segment A. R2, segment B, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8. So that is the use of the supply for testing the 5161 AS by connecting each resistor to the anode of the display. So here, the pin, which is the anode, So for every anode, we are connecting a resistor. What is the purpose of the resistor? To limit the current flows into the LED. And aside from that, if one of the LED is busted or broken, the other LEDs will not be affected. So still the connection of other LED is stable. Even the one LED is broken. So if one LED is broken, so busted, the other LED still have a good stable connection to the circuit. And since this is common cathode, all the cathodes are connected to the ground, and only the anode has its own resistor. And because we are connecting each to the positive of the battery, it will turn on this LED segment. It depends on what pin we are using in our demo. Okay, the ground to the negative, and then the positive of the battery, the supply, the 5 volts power bank supply, is we connect that for each anode or for each resistor. So this is the module we're going to construct. This common cathode 5161 AS, wherein it is a common cathode, and all anode, it has its own individual resistor connected for each anode. So this is now our circuit. We have the module, and then connected is the power bank, 5 volts. Using the two combined, I combined the two breadboard just to fit this module, and then with the use of the jumper wires. So we now have this 5161 AS common cathode 7 segment LED display module.